Want to transfer photos from your camera's SD card to your iPhone? You've got three main options: third-party software, cloud services, or Apple's camera adapters. Let's go through each method. Way 1. How to transfer photos from SD card to iPhone via iOS transfer. Use iOS transfer to select and import photos from your SD card to iPhone, all while managing data easily on your computer. Step 2. Get into the Photos section. Choose the Photos tab from the top left of the program. Then tap on Add File, or Add Folder. Step 3. Transfer photos from SD card to iPhone. Select your desired pics from the SD card and click Open to import photos from the card to your iPhone. Way 2. How to import photos from SD card to iPhone with adapter. Connect iPhone to SD card reader and insert card. Tap Import in Photos app. Choose Import All or select Photos. Decide to keep or delete photos on the SD card. Way 3. How to move photos from SD card to iPhone using iTunes. Insert SD card into card reader and connect to the computer. Connect iPhone to the computer via USB. Open iTunes and select Photos. Check Sync Photos. Choose Folder. Select the SD card folder and Photos. Tap Apply. Way 4. How to import pictures from SD card to iPhone with iCloud. Insert SD card into PC. Open iCloud. Go to Settings, Photos. Enable iCloud Photo Library and set folder to SD card. Upload photos to iCloud. On iPhone, enable iCloud Photo Library to sync. Way 5. How to transfer photos from memory card to iPhone via Google Drive. Insert SD card into computer. Log into Google Drive and click New to upload photos. Install Google Drive on iPhone. Sign in. Download photos to your iPhone.